This is the Bedsure Wearable Blanket. I have tested a ton of these. Oh my God, I love them so much. I literally have one in almost every single room in my house. I like them all for different reasons. So thank you so much, Bedsure, for sending me another one because I love them. They are so soft. The insides of these are just like plush and soft. More plush than some of the other brands, just saying. And also, and I've tried them, and I'm sponsored by all of them. So I prefer this one. Awesome stuff. The pocket is pretty cool. One of my clients purchased this and she puts her chihuahua, she said her chihuahua fits in the pocket, loves to cruise around with her during the day and sticks his little head out. Yeah, so it could fit a small animal, maybe a sugar glider, I don't know. And again, the comfort is so nice. I prefer them. I'm living in them. I'm telling you, I have them in every single room. My husband, he teases me. He calls me a hermit crab. He goes, I'll like peel out of one and I'll go into the next one and the next room and I'll put that other one in the next room. Only because we have an upstairs and downstairs and it's really cold downstairs and warmer upstairs. So sometimes I'll peel out of it downstairs because I get up here and it's too hot. I'm upstairs right now. But sometimes I get up here and it's cold up here and so then I peel back into another one. So yeah, so he calls me a hermit crab with these Bedsure wearable blankets. I love them. I wear them everywhere. I even take them on travel with me, especially when I'm in other states. I live in Las Vegas. I'm already cold in Las Vegas, so you can imagine how cold I am in Michigan, right? So, but I take this along and I am fine. Great to have on the plane too, because those planes get really cold. So I feel like I'm in full luxury in these wearable blankets. So again, thank you so much, Bedsure.